All right, so this is the 3 levels of the Superman exercise that you will see programmed in our Sports Rehab Expert longevity workout plan. The first one is sitting your butt back all the way on the heels, sliding the hands back and forth. So just sliding your arms on the ground is level 1A. Level 1B is sliding the arms on the ground and then reaching and turning the thumb up towards the ceiling and lifting that arm up off the ground. Level 2 is laying on your stomach, legs completely extended, arms extended in that Y position out at a 45-degree angle, lifting your sternum up off the ground, but your abs will stay on the ground, and then you're going to keep your thumbs up towards the ceiling as you reach them up towards the sky. You're going to hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds and then lower back down, repeat for desired number of reps. To increase that challenge further, then you will hold the position throughout the entirety of the exercise. Again, sternum up off the ground, abs on the ground, and then you're going to move your arms up and down. So it finishes in that Y position out at a 45-degree angle with the thumbs up, and then you pull the elbows down by your side and you move up and down and repeat for desired number of reps that are programmed in the longevity workout. Finally, the final progression to this exercise is adding load to it. You will not be able to add much weight to this exercise, so you need to put your ego aside and use light weights. I'm using 2-pound dumbbells here, and it's a significant more of a challenge than just body weight. So be sure to be careful with the amount of load that you apply here. A lot of times just adding a 2-pound weight or even a 1-pound weight is a plenty good start for a lot of people. And it's very unlikely that you're going to get anywhere over 5 pounds with this exercise.